Can you see yourself in the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5? Performance with panache. That's what this striking Ioniq 5 delivers. Silky smooth power, connected tech, and standout styling come together beautifully in this stunning EV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control. Get the connectivity and comfort you deserve in this remarkable Ioniq 5. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.